Okay, so we'll continue with my medicine. Okay, so basically, I'll start off with my applications. So, when I was in high school, I did my first application. Not my first application, but I did, yeah, but for medicine, like, you know what I mean. So, I did my application, my first application for medicine is Stellenbosch University. So, this is like the undergraduate application for medicine in 2016. That was like 11 years ago. So for medicine, I did it in 2016, 12, 10, 11 years ago, whatever. Um, so yeah, so I did it at Stellenbosch University, and this is the application, and that was super super cool. I will, I was really excited. So I did it for medicine and surgery, and then I also that was like 2016, right? Yes, so I was in high school in 2015. That was my matric year, and I did an application for 2016. So yeah, that was super super cool. This is the application, and then I also applied. Not applied. I only applied at Stellenbosch University in 2016. So there was not much other universities. It's only Stellenbosch University in 2016. I did three applications for Stellenbosch University in 2016 when I was in 2015. Sorry, for 2016. When I was in matric, I did two applications. So yeah, and then I also, let me just check. I went to the opening day of UCT, the University of Cape Town. I went to the opening day of the undergraduate um, program, admission program. So I went to the opening day of UCT, University of Cape Town, and we also went. Me and my teachers, my teacher went and looked at the medical program as well at the University of Cape Town. So that was also super super nice. But I only applied at Stellenbosch University, so that's super super nice. That was like 2016, both 2016. I applied for medicine in 2016, only at Stellenbosch University. But I went into UCT's opening, like for undergraduate students. Um, yeah, and then in 2019, so that was 2019, 2020, I applied again because I was accepted in 2016 in matric year. I was accepted for Stellenbosch University for science, for BSc Mathematical Science in 2016. I was accepted for that, and then I went and did that in 2016. I have my degree in that one, and then in 2019 for 2020, I also applied again for medicine at various universities. So this was one of the universities in 2020. That was 2019 for the 2020 application. I applied at this university also, and then I also applied at university. There was a lot of universities I applied for. There was 2019. There was 20 applications, and then there was another one for 2020 application, student application form, also for medicine. This one is also for medicine with surgery. This one is also for medicine for surgery. This one 19 for 2020. And then when I was busy graduating my bachelor's degree, and then in 2021, that was 2020, and then in 2021, I applied at which university? But in 2021, that was 2020, also for bachelor's surgery in medicine, the same as bachelor's surgery for medicine in undergraduate as well, bachelor's surgery in medicine, also bachelor's surgery in medicine, also the one with the surgery one. But and then I also applied again in 2021 at which university? Let me just have that one. Okay, and then I applied again at Wits University, also for bachelor. Okay, okay. I applied for medicine, bachelor of clinical medical, but in 2021 for the one without the surgery. So I applied for the one without the surgery. So for the one in 2016 and then 2020, I applied for both medicine with surgery. But then in 2021, I applied for the one without the surgery. So it's a bit lower, but it's still the same. In 2021 at Wits University. So it's the division of clinical associates. So it's a bit lower than the medical doctor with surgery, but it's evidently the same because it's just the one higher is surgery. So yeah, I did that, and then I got accepted for that one, for this one, for the one without the surgery. I got accepted for that one in 2024. So that's super cool. In 2024, for the I applied for that one also without the surgery. In 2024, and I got accepted for that one in 2024. So just to be mindful the difference between this one and that one. That one has a surgery and this one doesn't have the surgery. And I've been accepted in I applied in 2024 and I got accepted in 2025 for the one admitted without the surgery. So that's super cool. And then so I got accepted this in 2024. So I did two applications for this ones as well. For the one without the surgery, I did the one without the surgery in 2021. Okay, and I applied at Wits University, University of Johannesburg. I applied for the one without the surgery in 2021, in the year 2021, and I didn't get accepted. And then in 2024, actually in 2022, that's a long story. Okay, not a long story, but you have to. It's in my other file. You can check it out in my other file, that one. But then I applied in 24, um, and then I got accepted for that one, for the same one that I applied for Wits University. There, and then yeah. So that's basically it. I will inform you later about the other stuff. So that's nice.